friends, today we're going to draw Bluey. Let's get started. First, let's draw a horizontal line for his head. Actually, her whole body looks like a rectangle. Now we're going to draw two lines for her body. Draw a straight line to complete her body. You can draw two dots to mark the position of the ears. Draw a straight line from the dot to the corner of her head. Draw two dots to complete her right ear. Repeat the same thing on the left ear. The ears are two triangles. Now let's draw a C for her right eye, which is right beneath the right ear. Complete the oval. Let's continue with her nose. Draw a horizontal line from the middle of the eye to the middle of the left ear. In the middle of the rectangle is the bottom of the mouth. Now extend the curve to complete the mouth. Let's draw a smile on her face. Let's move on to her left eye. Let's draw her pupils. Let's add a little triangle for her nose. Now add a curve to complete her mouth. Let's add eyebrows. Dogs have eyebrows. Add more curves to complete the pattern on her body. let's draw her belly, which is a square. You can see how my mom marked the position and see if it's easier. Now connect the dots.
I like her square tummy.
Extend the line and draw the legs. Let's draw 4 straight lines. Now let's draw her paws. Which have 3 fingers. Repeat the same for her left paw.
Hey, Mommy drew her socks.
Now we move on to her right arm. Draw 2 lines from the side of her body. Draw a line for her wrist. Now comes the difficult part of her fingers. You can pause the video if you need more time. She has 4 fingers. Let's move on to her left hand. Repeat the same thing over again. Then let's add a tail. See how my mom marked the position. Connect the 2 dots that will make it easier to draw. Now extend the curve to the end of the tail. From her hand, draw 4 curves. Now we're done drawing a Bluey. Let's color it in. You can choose whatever color you like. It doesn't need to be blue, although it's called Bluey.
Like orange Bluey. Like Bingo and her mommy. I am going to draw Bingo.
There we go. We've done drawing a Bluey.
Look at my bingo.
We hope you enjoyed our video. See you next time. Bye.